Ready to give your Shopify store a total makeover with a brand new theme? Let's dive right into adding a zip file theme to your Shopify store first. Head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store. Then select Themes. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the Theme Library section. Now, click on the Add Theme drop-down menu and choose Upload Zip File. A window will pop up, prompting you to select your theme zip file from your computer. Find the zip file you want to upload, and click Open. Shopify will now begin uploading your theme. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new theme appear in the theme library. Before publishing it, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Preview to see how it looks on your store. Take your time to explore the theme and customize it to match your brand by clicking the Customize button. If you're happy with the preview, go back to the theme library. Click the Actions button again, and this time, select Publish to make your new theme live. Confirm your choice by clicking Publish in the confirmation window. And that's it. Your new theme is now live on your Shopify store. Enjoy your stunning new look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.